What's the matter, honey? Why are you making faces at me? Just trying my new camera mount.
Yeah, that's lovely.
Is it really sexy?
Oh yeah, it's
Why aren't you looking at me?
I'm trying not to.
Why?
Oh my God.
What?
Really?
Yes? What do you think?
Nope.
You wanna go for a walk?
Nope. Sorry. Take them home.
Most of my corn is doing quite nicely. I do have a few little stragglers that I'll probably just pluck out, just so they stop taking food from everything else. But yeah, I mean, we'll still wait and see, but looking good so far. Look at how huge my sage plant is. It has finished flowering, so now is the time to trim it back, give some of this other stuff some room to grow. Okay, so here we are. Oh. Howdy. So here we are. We're just showing Dave what's going on in the garden so that he's going to be able to take care of it while I'm gone. So pretty much you really just need to water over here. Keep an eye on that potato over there.
Okay.
And then just like every second day, I usually run the soaker hoses in the beds for an hour in each bed.
Okay.
And then I'll also run a soak on the 2 grapes.
Yeah.
Every hour. So let me show you. You shouldn't have to worry about harvesting anything over there. You can just leave all that alone.
All right.
But over here are the tomatoes. So if you see a ripe tomato,
Are they supposed
pick it and eat it. These ones will turn, I don't know, I've never grown these. They're an heirloom. I think they're kind of a deep reddish, brownish color. And these ones, see these ones? Well, you've seen these ones. These are the chocolate ones.
Yeah.
Is that one ready? That one's probably ready. If they come off pretty easily, they're usually ready.
Okay.
So that's ready. Do you want it?
No. Go ahead.
Carrots, there's a bunch of carrots in the back row that are ready.
Okay.
So carrots are here. There's 2 rows. The ones in the back row, there's actually some that are getting quite big. So if you feel like having a nice fresh carrot. Strawberries, there might be some. If you see any ripe, pick them. The peppers, don't worry about. Just make sure they get enough water. Obviously that, don't worry about. Onions, same thing. Don't worry about them. Okay, cucumbers. So you're going to have cucumbers. Like this is going to be ready in a day or 2. You got another one here. You got another one here. Do you have any down here yet? Oh, you have another one here. Okay, so just keep an eye on the cucumbers and pick them and use them until I get back. You can't really freeze them at all. I want to make relish this year because we're out of relish. Oh, the melons. Did you see the melons?
Yeah. How big do they get?
I don't know how big they'll get. Remember the one we had last year?
Yeah.
These are the same kind. So I don't think they'll be ready before I get back.
So you only got 2.
Nope, I got 3. There's one in that little, back in that corner there.
Oh, that one.
And then there's another one on the ledge here. Going through the asparagus. Right in there. And I don't see any, like I see some female flowers, but I don't see any more that have been, like here's another one here. I don't know if they've been pollinated or not. I don't see anything that's growing into a fruit yet.
That'll be a while.
Yeah, they shouldn't be ready before I get back. What's growing in the pathway here again?
What is that?
That's a ground cherry.
Oh.
You don't need to leave it there.
Well, you should have never left it there in the first place. That's why you got them.
No, these aren't ground cherries. These, I don't know what these are.
No, I'm saying that big one there.
Yeah, this one is a ground cherry.
That's
The rest of it's weeds. I don't know what the rest of it is.
anything.
Could be anything, yeah.
All right.
Grapes, you won't have to do anything with them. Just make sure they're getting enough water. Make sure this bed gets water.
Yeah.
I will sometimes soak it as well. These new ones don't have very good soakers. And then these, every couple of days or so, give them water.
Okay.
You know, the same thing. I usually water every second day. Some of the pots need it every day, but you can usually tell if they're looking limp. Nope, not yet. Look, look, look! I have a loofah.
What do you do with that?
You let it grow. When I get back, I gotta give everybody a nice good dose of some food. Look at that! Oh, let me show you this vine back here. Anything over there?
I'm watching it be.
Oh, watching the bee.
He was on that.
On a
Leaf.
flower.
No, he was on the leaf.
Okay, well come look at this vine. You gotta come to the other side. So I'm trying to keep it out of the panels and up in here. As you can see, one of them got down there. See if I can't get it to stick up there. But yeah, I just kind of make sure it's not getting too crowded or not going crazy. I think I might have pulled the end off of this one. So it might not grow any further. Look at these little baby loofahs. Ah, they're so cute. They're fuzzy. Yay, I have loofah. I wanted to come out and try and fly that drone again, but it's windy.
Always. What keeps the house halfway cool?
Look at my grapes. Look how beautiful they are. I can only hope that the camera is picking everything up because it looks like a black screen to me out here in the sun. It's like a little fairyland. Oh, another bee. Bees everywhere. If you look, if you sit and look, If you love bees like I love bees, go back and look at my video and just let it run. It's just the sound of the bees and the sound of the wind chimes. And I think about 3/4 of the way in, I actually have some music playing in the background. But yeah, it's very peaceful. That's how my garden is. Very peaceful. I don't spend near enough time out here. I gotta say that. Anyway, I gotta go because I'm getting ready to head out on a trip tomorrow, and I want to get this video up and edited, and it's just gonna be a quick rush job. I'm gonna try to cut out the parts where I'm filming just the fence and you know, stuff like that. But yeah, have yourself a great day. I'm going to try to go live tomorrow night, which will be Saturday night, which this will probably come out, I'll probably time it to come out Saturday morning. Yeah, and then I might try to go live Saturday night. It kind of depends on what kind of a connection I get at the vineyard that I'm visiting. If nothing else, I will be taking lots of video and pictures, and I will be sharing that when I get back. But yeah, I will see you soon. Take good care of yourself. Bye now.